Hi BB.
Hi BBs.
This is our beach vlog.
Hi BB.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I can't vlog because I'm driving and I suck at driving.
She's responsible.
I'm response. Also, I'm an ugly driver, let me know.
Let me know in the comments down below.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Glencoe Beach because it's fucking summer.
Fucking summer beaches.
It's fucking summer beaches.
The summer is here, bitch.
The summer's here. So yeah, leave down below what kind of summer you like.
What's your favorite kind of summer?
Yeah, mine is wet summer.
I like the wet, hot American summers.
Ooh. My favorite summer is when Lana album is released.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh my god, I almost choked.
Beaches.
13 Beaches. Hi, 13 Beaches. No. Oh my god, 13 Reasons Why.
I was about to say that. 13 Beaches.
13 Beaches
13
Why.
Beaches Why.
No, but
That's a caption.
yeah, stop! Oh my god, I need to think of a good caption. Wait, stop. Oh my god, watch, that was gonna be like...
That was like, that's like two memes in one.
Yeah, that was
13
good.
beaches. Well, that's 3, because...
The reasons are here, beaches.
Beaches.
The 13 reasons why
Yeah,
are here.
13 Beaches by Lana, beaches as in bitches, and then 13 Reasons Why.
Yes.
That was meta meme.
Yeah.
Meta meme. Meta
Yeah.
memorphosis.
Meta
I need to be the
memesis.
queen of that,
Yeah.
to be honest.
So what else is going on? We love life. I look low-key good. Yeah.
I look at myself, sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
sorry, I
looking
look
at myself because I look
Sorry,
a
the
mess.
millennials are so narcissistic.
Oh wait, no, it's Dundee all the way down.
Oh,
apparently.
okay.
Okay, we're cool.
Dundee.
Wait, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I was gonna say my favorite kind of summers are when Lana's album released, because last summer, when did High by the Beach get released?
I feel like
That was when we were in Bye Bye Birdie. It was
So it was
2015.
2 summers ago.
2015.
Yeah. 2 summers ago, I was
Yeah.
in Mexico.
Except
so
you were in Bye Bye
High by
Birdie.
the Beach. High by the Beach literally was released while I was in Mexico, so that was a very special moment for me. And then Honeymoon was released probably like a few months after. So I live and I die.
Yeah.
If like Lana released her album, like any album, any future album that not in summer, it'd be a little weird.
Yeah, actually that's
the
true.
first time I listened to Born to Die, and it was like a big part of my life was winter.
Okay, no, for sure.
But that's very, I feel like Born to Die is like different, so
yeah.
so it's fine.
Alright guys,
Okay. My arm is getting tired.
And not your
so I
balance
have
over
to
summer.
take a little
Yeah.
break.
we're gonna take a little break.
Okay.
Bye guys, we'll catch
Bye.
up with you.
Bye beaches.
Bye,
Bye, beaches.
I'm walking up to the gig like,
Nice to see that walk.
Half y'all bitches can't even spell gig.
y'all just can't even spell beach. Y'all just can't even spell beach.
Half y'all bitches can't even spell body.
Bad beaches arrive
That's how
to the
bad
beach.
beaches to the beach and then go home. Glencoe, I'm here.
Let's go to the beach.
Each high bacteria day.
Hey everyone, so we're just at the fucking beach, and
We were just bullied. We were shit on in multiple ways.
but we were shit on in a few ways. I just got literally shit on by a fucking bird, so thank you. And also, girls were bullying Karina and Molly because they were taking pics by the beach. So if you go to Glencoe Beach, here they are right now. No wait, not Molly.
I wasn't bullying myself.
Hold on, there
Well,
they
I'm
are.
bullying
Do you
myself
see them?
sometimes.
Do you see them? Fuck you. So make sure you watch for bitches and also bird
Also
shit.
birds. Same thing.
Right?
Bitches,
Right. Bitches, beaches, and birds. Am I right?
Am I fucking right?
Am-
Am I fucking right?
High bacteria day.